Hi guys, today we are with another video and this is the episode 2 of our DG channel. Today we are gonna learn three types of programs that are used in Python. First, print, e.g. Now if we give this, it shows as DG. If you think it's a number or something, 67 between 67. Okay, now let's move. Let's now the second one is variables. X is equal to L and the print the input as a value tell X is equal to input enter is string means like a we see enter string 1 2 3. Sorry, it should be ABC like that. A We didn't do nothing because we didn't give print statement. Now type print x and run. Type it as type your own as your own string like DG. It's your wish. Okay, let's head with the integer input and do this. Oh, we should change this number to so easy. Okay, now we finish the third one. It's gonna be a small video because all YouTubers know that there can be, if it's not the latest model, latest what, latest Windows, it can be only to 15 minutes video. Okay, so that like leave a comment and I'll tell you the comment winner in the next video.